2.
What's up, guys? How's everybody? Thanks for being here, y'all. Nice to see you on this holiday break, this magical post-Christmas day. Hope everyone had a beautiful, beautiful Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa. We love Kwanzaa, folks. Kwanzaa. Let me check the stream qualities, okay? And I'll tell you about what happened to me. We love Kwanzaa, folks. It's the best holiday. Nobody does it like the Kwanzaa people. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, so we had the live show on Tuesday. Someone says my sick voice is giving them DPI energy. Okay. 600 DPI. I hear that, actually. 600 DPI. That feels nice. 12,100 DPI. Oh. It does sound like that. 24,152 DPI. 200 DPI. Whoa. I just found my new calling as the DPI guy. That's what the is up, y'all. Catch me on Fiverr. This podcast game. I'll be raking in the dough, dude. $5 a pop. Welcome, everybody, to the H3 Podcast Live. I'm your host, Ethan Klein, currently sitting at 600 DPI. Yo. That's what the is up. All right. So, anyway, how you guys doing? Let me look at the chat here. 300 DPI. 2,500 DPI. Dude, that sounds crazy. 10 DPI. Whoa, dude. It's not COVID, though. I hope you guys are all having a good holiday here. How quick Keemstar hung up on that. Dude, my voice is so f***ed up. 100 DPI. 300 DPI. The minute they do... Am I really... I don't know if I can continue with it, but my voice... Let me try to clear my throat. Okay, not better. Someone says, I feel sick just listening to you. Yeah, I know, I'm sorry. I promise you that the germs can't travel through the microphone.
Thanks for watching.